Right then, so here we are again. We've got the E46 M3 versus the E46 330 Ci follow-up video.
There's a few things we need to address from the last video that a couple of you have commented on that I'm not particularly pleased with. One being Ash isn't a true BMW fan by wearing his Mercedes-Benz hat. I think we've addressed that one.
Yep.
Next one, no more bad dubstep. This is just purely the exhaust cars. And there's a little treat, Ash's first attempt at trying to do a 0 to 60 run. We'll show you that as well. A couple of other things that we're going to add into this. We've got a cold start on both of these cars, so you can hear what they're like from flat, nothing.
Yeah.
Then some warmed up revving, just static revving, and then obviously the hard acceleration sounds. So we'll do the 330 first, then the M3, and you can make your judgment then. Got a nice empty road, 2 straight 6s. What do they sound like? What is the difference between a 3.2 litre M3 and a 330 3 litre? Anyone want to find out? So yeah, hopefully that's addressed some of your comments and concerns from the last video. No awful dubstep in the background of this one. Sorry, it was pretty bad.
For our next video, which will be the E46 buyer's guide, we're going to get them on the ramp and have a good look round.
Stay tuned, we'll see you next time.